Plenty of room. Track is hot, track is hot, track is hot. Easy guys, easy. Oh, that's close. Okay, let's see where we land here. This time by. 30 seconds in, 3:30 to go. Xander, Blanton, Hugh, Rames, Hartman, Stroop, Ward, Thomas.
I think that was on purpose, Casey.
This time by, Ray on point. Ray and Barry get together in 1 and 2. I think it gives Blanton the edge coming down the front stretch. Got one up high, stay all four, Track is clear. This time by, it's Blanton, Xander, Pugh, Stroop, Raines, Hartman, Thomas, Ward. Blanton, the all-white truck with the black wheels. Xander, the purple, green, and white truck is in the 2 spot. Rodney Pugh, the white truck with the numbers on the side, is in the 3 spot. 110 in, 250 to go. Stay low in the 3, stay low in the 3. Track is clear, track is clear. This time by, it's Blanton, Xander, Pugh, Raines, Stroop, Hartman, Thomas, Ward. Your leader, the all-black truck, all-white truck with black wheels. Ray Xander, the purple, white, and green truck is in the 2 spot. Your leader getting in trouble going into turn 1. He gathers it back up. 1 and 2 coming down the front stretch right now. Rodney Pugh, the white truck with numbers on the side, is holding on to that 3 spot. This time by, it's Blanton, Xander, Hugh, Stroop, Raines, Hartman, Ward, Thomas. Two down, 2 to go. 2 down, 2 to go. Careful, guys, careful. Xander getting tagged up in a little bit, getting collected in that. He makes it through okay. 220 in, 140 to go. $240 down, 120 to go. Blanton, Xander, Raines, Stroop, Hugh, Hartman, Thomas, Ward. That is your running order. The white truck with the black wheels is your leader. Purple, white, and green truck is your 2 spot. Purple, white, and green truck is your 2 spot. White truck with the numbers on the side. Whoa, this time by, Barry Raines to the 3 spot. The yellow truck with the black stripe down the center. That is your 3rd place driver. That is your 3rd place driver. The purple, white, and green truck is your 2nd spot. The white truck with the black wheels is your 1st spot. 45 seconds left on the race clock, drivers. 45 seconds left on the race clock. Oh, your 3rd place spins going 1 and 2. He gets it back together. Let's see what happens here. 35 seconds left on the clock. Trip on 1 and 2, drivers. Trip on 1 and 2. Track is clear. Track is clear. This time by, it's Blanton, Xander, Raines, Stroop, Hugh, Hartman, Thomas, Ward. White truck with the black wheels is your leader. Xander, the purple, white, and green truck is 2nd spot. Barry Raines, the all-yellow truck is your 3rd spot. The all-yellow truck is your 3rd spot. 7 seconds left on the race clock. 7 seconds left on the race clock. Clock has expired. Keep racing. Keep racing. Keep racing. Thomas, you're done. Xander, you're done. Raines, you're done. Stroop, Hugh, Blanton, you're done. That is a race, drivers. That is a race. Your finishing order is Blanton, Xander, Raines, Stroop, Hugh, Thomas, Hartman, Ward,